working, they are supposed to be debate with their colleagues, argument with them, why this only this control. That is the one benefit for who all are really working. Who all are laid off, if they will follow day one itself, my homework, my interview questions, on or before my course completion, they have the offer letters. That is the way I designed week 6 itself. I will update their resume. Yeah, some people will feel fear how I'll face the interview. I don't know what questions they will ask, what project they will ask. I can motivate them. Hey, don't give up. It's okay. One rejection, okay. Two rejection, okay. Compared to you are not getting a calls, at least you are attending interview. That is nothing but your success. That is the, even though Saurabh Dev and you both, I will always tell the same. You both are already succeeded because you attended number of interviews. But you will feel like that is your pain. I never take that success. Only I only teach the you success. That is the secondary Ramesh and Arita and SGD. Maybe your success you need to celebrate. I'm not denying that part. But I torture you guys. I'm not denying that. It is not a hey you got very smoothly. No. That also it is possible for me, but I never teach that method to anyone. Because tomorrow you will see, yesterday night 7:36 you received the offer, you accepted the offer, you received the offer. Monday you are daring to going joining is, what is the reason you know? In the third week itself, when the Digicom HR is called you, Ramesh, you took 3 days time for attending the interview, yes or no?
Yes.
Then I called you, never take that time. Now you accepted this range. Within a 9 weeks, you changed your mind and accepted on Monday you are going to joining, right?
Yes, yes.
Why? You don't have a fear. If something goes wrong, you will get the calls again. That is the only my message. So all the best. Arita, you also, in the really, you guys knows office number. Okay, whenever any emergency, for example, really struggling, my hand will be there for you all. Okay. Similarly, your success also, I'm hoping your success will speak my course. You are the your bad phase of life. Really, it meant for me a lot, Ramesh. Really, how much bad I am, you know. My close ones also knows bad phase of life of Ram. They seen good part, again bad part. Now again, maybe I'm hoping I will also come again like a previous Ram. That is the my hope. With the help of you all support, surely I will come to that phase and okay, that phase. In this, I learned a lot of lessons. Lot of lessons. So your support will be there for me and all. I'm hoping all. Okay. With the help of that, all are not joined. One time I will dial. Only Rajesh and Kalyan is succeeded, then I'm a more happy person. So maybe Kalyan anyhow is doing some job. I'm giving time for him. So surely Jaysri anyhow, Jaysri, I will made you separately. Okay. Kishore will travel with me another 12 weeks of time in the Tuesday onwards. So surely, anyhow, you long waited, you long time you waited for that. So no problem. Okay. But one only one thing I can tell, Prithvi, but never tempt and why not I will get the cause if I reduce a notice period. No. Don't do that. Okay. I will tell you when the situation bounce back, Subham and Prudvi, without 90 days acceptancy, your current organization, you guys never resigned the portions. Lot of uncertainty is there, lot of unluck people also I am observed the year. So lot of uncertainty still present, still exist. Bounce, it is not bounce back. The automotive is not at bounce back. Only upskilling, cyber security, one or other way, you are getting the calls. I'm not denying that. But other domains are really struggling. Project acquisition level because of China competition. Rudra, I seen your message. Join. We are waiting. Okay. This is the Ethernet I will teach today. Please join immediately. Hmm? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Kalyan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You need to enter into your server room. How many access you will take?
Just 10K access, sir.
Okay. Every user having a entry access.
No, sir. So only IT, IT team.
Uh, okay. Then who's the owner of that ownership with whom? You need to enter into server room. Who will provide you the access?
IT admin, sir.
IT admin. Okay. You will take any NDA document from you?
No, sir.
Non-disclosure agreement document?
No, sir. I will be right.
Where are you? You are at home or a lot of noise is there background?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. How you are entering to the server room? My question is very simple. You are sitting at your desk. I ask you to Kalyan go to server room. Then what is the procedure? Tell me.
With authentication, sir.
Okay, that you are authenticating means someone is created credential, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Uh, you requested. You requested a RAM, please create a credential. I need to enter into server room. I will create.
Uh, we also request some confirmation mail like that.
No, I'll agree, but you dropped email at that time.
Yes.
I will create or I will ask your boss.
Uh,
I will ask your
as to we
manager
will
or
ask,
I will directly create. Tell me.
we will ask manager, sir.
Okay. Manager, one level or two level up?
One level.
One level. Uh, you will immediately will reply yes. Yeah, please create.
Um, yes, sir.
Okay. Sometimes, yes. I'm not denying that. Sometimes no
Yes.
also. Sometimes no also. Okay. Okay, I
Yes, sir.
created the username password. Then you are going to the server room. Entrance server room. Similar to entering to the desk or it is a little different.
Sir, it is different, sir.
Can you please tell me two differences? Entering point.
So for server room, we have some different authentication, sir.
Hmm.
Normally, we are entering into this. There is no agentic authentication. Right?
Good point. Okay. Next one. One
Yes.
you told entry point is a authentication level. Happy. One more difference, tell me.
We need to enter into exact class with required authorization of it. For a desk access, we don't want any
Okay,
authorization.
now you are entering, you are entering the itself of a mobile phone to your desk, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Itself of a devices. Anyone allow you into the server room?
No, sir.
That means itself of you have in your pocket mobile is there also. You enter into the server room.
No, sir. They won't allow.
Why? Why they don't allow?
Maybe
Tell
there's
me. Any reason?
there's some confidentiality like that.
Okay. Any other? Venkat, you can attempt. Why server rooms they don't allow any storage devices and itself of any image capturing devices? Usually server rooms they won't allow. Any reason?
Data data can
Uh,
be captured.
for example, you have a mobile. You have a mobile. You enter into the server room. That means what level of access person you are. You are a super user or a normal user.
Super user.
That is the another reason. There you are controlling another controller, then it is very difficult. That is the reason I will capture his boss. Inside his presence, in the time period of Kalyan presence in the server room, something is happened answerable by his manager, not by Kalyan. So that is the reason they also usually they won't allow him to enter the server room and all. His boss will ask Kalyan, why you need the access, tell me, and a lot of questions he will also ask. So similarly, Kalyan, one message ethernet frame supposed to be going outside, it will cross how many layers? How many layers it will cross? It will cross only one layer or two layer, or OSI layers? Yes or no?
Three layers, sir.
How many?
Three.
Mm, okay. For example, you need to transfer one frame to outside. How many layers it will transfer? You guys aware? Yugandhar, you will attempt it?
7 layers.
Yes, Ram.
How many layers?
Seven.
Uh,
Yeah, some guy
Ramesh.
answered, but I
Ramesh.
don't want. Ramesh, please silent. You are at the SGD. Even though SGD not join, also I am happy. If joined, okay. If he not joined, enjoying his weekend is also I'm happy. You can celebrate, you guys. Only tomorrow bear me. Then I will give time to you guys to enjoy, you guys. This class is also important. I need to teach you guys for this Ethernet topic. So, Yugandhar, how many layers?
So it will be, I think it is 4 layers, I thought. But Ramesh is saying that it's 7 layers, means I'm not sure exactly on that. So
Okay,
like seven
then
layers.
no problem. Your four layers, what you assumed, you can tell me. What are the four layers you thought?
So the inside the first thing, it is wherever in the server room, it will be one layer, it will be.
Okay.
And the outside will be the one layer, which is the access, the third second one. And initially when we enter into the office, that is one.
Mm.
Okay, and entering into the whichever division,
Okay, you are
that is
okay.
one. In
Now
that way
out.
I came.
Okay, okay. That layers I'm asking is completely different one. Like a
application
you
layers and
already know,
application.
right? Your laptop. LAN cable you connected, right?
Yes, yes, LAN cable.
You connected LAN cable, and your friend is
Yes.
also connected your intranet another LAN cable.
Okay.
You both are working via Teams or something. Okay. That time
Okay.
via intranet, you are both teams. Your office is using a Teams. You send a message I. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
That I is displayed to your friend, right? That time
Yes.
that time it
Okay.
will cross via your ethernet cable to that fellow. So that is the question. That means this ethernet
Okay.
communication level, how many layers crossed after that it reached to your friend. So that
Mm,
way this 7 layer concept will be there.
okay.
Now only you will see you I given in hand your wire ethernet cable. That is a physical or anything else.
It's a physical.
Okay, then I connected to a router, assume
Yeah.
router.
Yes.
uh, I connected to the router.
Y- Yeah,
So
then
that
will be
means
internal.
some data will transfer, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, that is nothing but a data link layer.
Okay.
Then you decided that a network, that means IP
Int-
address. I allocated
Okay.
one IP address for you.
Okay.
That is nothing but a network layer.
Okay.
Then I started transferring. Using that IP address, I'm transferring to Yugandhar is my friend, another IP. That is nothing but a transport layer. When I'm transferring time, sometimes I sent hi. Okay, I sent hi. You didn't reply. I will type another message, yes or no.
Yes.
Sometimes I don't care
Yeah.
about your reply. I convey my message.
Yes.
You will listen or you don't listen, that I don't care. But Yugandhar is a person. You will ask help. First, you will express, hi, good morning. Or other end, not yet replied, good morning. You will send another message.
Yes.
You will send or you will stop. Tell me truth.
See, we will see the way it is. If it is urgency, like we will send it. So
Okay.
whatever we need to convey, we can convey it
That
later
is
on, whether
the
he seen or
okay.
not.
Okay. Then there you have a sometimes you will wait for the acknowledgement. Sometimes you don't wait for the acknowledgement. That is
Exactly.
the reason you have a TCP/IP UDP protocols are there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then you will present it. Presentation layer. You will present what your presency. Then it will come to the outside is what message is reflecting. These all are the 7 layers, we'll call it in the OSI layers. These
Okay.
layers, you
Just a
guys
second.
supposed to be know these layers
Okay.
also. So OSI model, maybe next once upon a time, maybe if I'll start Ethernet training, I will inform you guys. That time I'm
Okay.
planning Linux kernel, Linux plus Ethernet and hypervisors and virtual machines, latest technology one. But yeah, I'm sharing my
Okay.
screen. You guys assume like a physical layer is nothing but a wire. That's it.
Okay.
Cable is the only physical layer. Assume. Okay.
Okay.
Only like a what are the threads will be there. For example, I given like a one cable to you. You that
Yeah.
cable not connected anywhere. Still, you can inject a fault. You can inject a false because you already know, right? Wire is there means you can create a short circuit
Anywhere.
also.
Exactly.
Okay. So then how we will protect that tamper detection level and all. So similarly, you will go for a automotive level, Ethernet level, first layer one, everyone can ignore. Data link layer, you will see any device, anywhere also, you have two things. One is IP address, second one is MAC address. Your IP addresses are more, but your MAC address always constant. So that is the reason you have a concept like a MAC security. MAC security means, for example, in the this is application layer. This is presentation layer. This is session layer. This is network layer. No, transport layer, that one. This one is the network layer. Data link layer. And physical layer. You will see. Here you don't have a security. Here you have a security. Yes, sir. How many layers here you don't have the security now? Only one layer, or second layer you kept the security? First layer you don't have a security. Then how many layers you will cross easily? One layer or two layers? Yes, this is a physical layer. This is a data link layer. This is a network layer. This is a transport layer. This is a session layer. This is the presentation layer. This is the application layer. Here you don't have a security. Here you have a security. You implemented MAC security. Now, how many layers you are crossing easily? One layer or two layers as well?
One layer.
One layer only.
One layer. So, second layer you are crossing means what? You implemented the security, you are crossed that layer. What is meant by that?
Then anything malfunction.
Malfunctioning or sometimes weak also, right?
Yeah,
Weak
yes.
also. Okay, then, for example, this layer is protected. Some people will say that I don't want any other security as well. Some people will say that each layer I need the security. That is the reason some organizations, if MACsec is implemented, MACsec is implemented, then they will say that I don't want any other security. No, data link layer MACsec is implemented. I need the network layer security as well, IP security. Some people will say that no, I need the firewall. Firewall is what is meant by firewall? Allowing or not allowing the people is nothing but a firewall. You remember forever. You are allowed the person, you are not allowed the person. That is nothing but a firewall. Some people will call web-based firewall. Some people will call single layer firewall, multi-layer firewall. Multi-layer firewall means what? Allowed list and not allowed list. Allowed or not allowed. You implemented the data link layer, and network layer. This is nothing but a multi-layer firewall. Multi-layer, because it is not only one layer, more than one layer, you are filtering the messages, allowed or not allowed. That is the reason, don't confuse with the words and okay. Web level, any web application level, you are maintaining a filter mechanism, allowing list or not allowing list. That is nothing but a web-based firewalls. So Kalyan, these firewalls, MACsec, IPsec, it will helpful for you. Your day-to-day life also, you guys will do the same. You go and check that.
Okay.
Go and check that. IP config.
Yes, sir.
Your IP addresses may vary, but your device MAC address always will be constant. That is the reason data link layer 2. Layer 2, your media access address will be controlled. This again IPv4, IPv6, it is a portion of topic. That is the, I don't go that much depth. You remember physical, only cable level matter. Data link layer is a MAC address level matter. Network layer is a IP address level. Okay. Here. Your IP address will be frame how you are transmitting the frame MAC addressing under. So then you will go MAC address frame under little bit deeper side. Then this is the everyone knows now. Your IP address. Network layer is nothing but your IP address. IP address everyone knows. IP config one or other errand. You guys aware about that IP address, so it will allocate for you guys. ACLs, Yugandhar and Kalyan. ACLs is a, here you will see IDS is there, IPS is also there. IDS is already I teach your network intrusion detection system. Okay.
Yes.
It is a authorized person is sending, unauthorized person is sending, you will check that part. Okay. But
Okay.
transport layer is nothing but a, I told you right. If you are typing a hi, other guy is also replied hi. That is nothing but TCP. Other guy replied or not replied, I don't mind. I will convey my method. I don't care about he accepted or not. Then you will go for UDP. You will wait for the method reliable connection oriented transmission. That means only not only like a, for example, you are giving a message, again you are collecting the feedback also. That message is reached or not. That is nothing but a communication, you will call it as a TCP communication. Always I will tell transport layer security. Transport layer security means, for example, this is connected via Ethernet. Is the sender. Assume sender is sending 4,000 bytes. Receiver also receiving 4,000 bytes. Assume. This 4,000 bytes, assume Ethernet one frame you can transfer max is 1600 bytes. Assume. Example, just for example. At a time, maximum you will transfer 1600 bytes. How many times you are transferring this data to sender to receiver? One time, two times, or three times? At a time, you will, by Ethernet max, it will transfer 16 bytes at a time. Now, sender is sending the data how many times to receiver?
4,000 by 16.
That means approximately three times, right? Okay. Rudra is downloaded. That message is encrypted. But unfortunately, Rudra got the key. He downloaded the message. Downloaded the message. Now he is having a key means he can decrypt yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
He downloaded the message and he decrypted. Then the key is compromised, right? Then I will send K, K1, K2, K3. Only K1 is compromised. K2, K3, Rudra don't know. Then how many bytes he can read my content? I have a 3 keys now. K1, K2, K3. Rudra knows only K1. Then he can decrypt only 1600 bytes, right?
Yes.
Yes.
That concept only you will call it as a transport layer security, TLS. Year 1.1 or 1.3, TLS 1.3 like that. Your emails, your web applications, everything will work. Old method is SSL, secure socket layer. Now new method is TLS. This concept only we'll call it as the session key concept. Each session, you need to derive one key for you. So one key is compromised, unfortunately. Only that particular data is compromised, not complete content. Okay? That is the TLS concept. Now coming back to the session layer. How is your session looks like? You already know which session you are in, that active session or unauthorized session. That day also, when the two people are talking, Bhaskar, Subham, talking each other, Arita came here. They are talking like this. First to see, listen both the topic. They talked 1 hour. Then she will play like this. Why? She will only play. That guys will assume still they are talking. No, their session is already hijacked by Arita. That is nothing but a session hijacking concept. So this concept this is the where session hijacking will happen. Session token replay. Because why? You need to ask some codes also in between. You are talking or really something is talking. So then presentation layer will come. Presentation layer, how you are keeping a integrity, confidentiality, authentication, authorization level, you will again perform the reverse operation. Then you will show in the application layer original message format. So that is the reason each level security is important for you guys. Each level alone only. This is the AutoSAR level, application layers of level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. how it looks like, how your levels looks like. This we can talk like a minimum easily I can talk 6 weeks for Ethernet security. How really looks like your Ethernet security in the automotive, not only automotive, anywhere also. Now, quickly I will show some important tips. Give me 1 minute where I captured. Listen. Yeah. Itself of anyhow, whatever I'm showing you today's session, I will upload. Okay. I don't want to archive before classes, last classes also. I will give you all. Okay. But only thing is, Yugandhar and Kalya, this document thoroughly you can. And remaining guys, if really not working in Ethernet, ignore. Okay. So in the
Okay.
physical layer, you have some attacks. Whenever attack is there, you already know impact. Whenever impact is there, you already know security control you need to implement. But you guys, knowingly or not knowingly, knowingly or unknowingly, you guys knows these terms. MACsec, IPsec, TLS, DTLS. Sometimes, usually day-to-day life, you guys will hear application layer means what? You are coming up to bottom to up also you can go. Application layer to until physical layer to application layer. That is the reason. Whatever sender is performing a operation, receiver will do entry point or exit point. Someone encrypted, sender is encrypted. Receiver where he will do decryption? Entry point or inside?
It will be inside.
I sent I to you. You will check I is there only accept or you will first accept and check it inside. You will see. I'm sending some message to you. I encrypted. I'm transferring you. This is my exit point. This is your entry point. You will take inside my message without checking. Prudvi, where you will check? Entry point or you will take into ear.
Entry point.
Entry point only.
That is you always remember, you guys. That is the reason course level I'll always design such a way like entry points, exit points are very, very important. Some one application layer, another layer, it is a physical layer also. Top to bottom, sender to receiver, opposite will happen. So that is the reason. For example, you need to accept it means first you will verify the identity, right? That guy is I have a right person. Is the right person for me or not? That node, that IP address, but that user identity you will verify. These all will speak about in this layer of attacks, application layer. You will take the authentication controls and everything. Then presentation layer, you will check that decryption or maybe integrity or any data is leaked, integrity is failed, any errors are coming or someone is corrupted the payload, you will check. Session layer, actively they both are talking. Really they are talking or someone is compromised this session or hijacked the communication. That is nothing but session layer. Transport layer. Transport layer is a what type of transport? I need to wait for feedback or I don't care about the feedback. That is nothing but a transport layer. Network layer. Anyone, any intruder enter into my network or not. Any intruder is entering to the network or not. Data link layer. Man in middle attack. A local traffic related. Unauthorized VLAN access related. RAM virtual LAN we don't know means you can assume you in your house you have a routing. How many physical lines are there? How many virtual lines are there? How you can create a virtual line for you? I don't know how many 192.168.0.1 other than Kalyan you guys are typed in your home or not? I don't know, right? Anyone, you guys are set your router settings under your own? How many guys you guys are set your Wi-Fi passwords, internet passwords, your own? No RAM, one guy came, installation guy installed, then we are using. That is possible. Otherwise, you guys knows about data link layer easily. Your router settings under. Physical layer is just like a wire. Cable. That cable. That is that one. Frame, how your Ethernet frame looks like. This is the frame length and each frame how many bytes. Payload itself 46 bytes. Minimum is 46 bytes. Max is 1500 bytes. You can load it Ethernet frame. Here also you have the sequence and all, but security frame along with that you have the security MAC address related, source MAC, destination MAC, then authentication tags, maybe anywhere, any other. Frame wise security frame, session and transport layer. Message protection security, how it looks like via Ethernet gateway controls and the detection and the response. You will see how your source address to destination address and how your port is looks like, and then you will use the minimum TLS is 1.3. That is the reason. Finally, here also you have the same algorithms like AES algorithm and ECDHA algorithms and all. So how you are sharing the sender to receiver your secret key, session key with alpha ECDHA, elliptic curve DFL only you will use most of the time. Okay, and rules and all common. So that is the reason. don't uh, take like a within a 1 hour you will learn 50 minutes time you will learn the complete ethernet security and all no, but I'm telling you in this 7 layer security you need to know and you need to know about your attacks. These all are the attacks, each attack what is there, okay, and what type of problems come, what is the control you can recommend. So that is more than sufficient for overview of Ethernet level. But really, once you enter into the project, two things will happen. First of all, you need to learn the Ethernet. Now, you guys earlier, some people in our community, how can frame? Can you? Everyone knows, but can message contain what are the bytes and all. So can frames, that is the reason I will always you know what is meant by Ethernet frame is frame looks like these all are the bytes. These all bytes together you will call it as it is a Ethernet frame. Receiving device or sending device are indicating protocol type IPv4, IPv6 and the actual data. Then you have the CRC. Along with the CRC, you are going for a MAC security or IP security. You have the integrity tag and authentication tag and confidentiality tag as well. You will complete frame, you will encrypt. So this is also one nice concept. Okay. So itself for this. Any other good points? Yeah, this is the, I thought like today, this is the way. So I have a clear instructions. I need to be wind up very smoothly and now last class, what you guys are required, tell me. I will upload today this Ethernet content into the folders. Last class, what you guys need.
Ram, is it possible to show the folders, the project folder structure?
Uh, can you please repeat?
Ram, on our project folder structure.
Inside organizations, how it looks like, or
Yes. Yes, inside organization.
So Ram, just can you quickly just explain about the manager's roles and responsibilities for the RFQs and so inside the implementation?
yeah, sure, no problem. You will get the clarity now. Actually, every session after that you will speak usually, no problem. Here only manager will be there. Okay, he is the right person. He will handle. Manager can handle, and itself of system architect, test architect, analyst. Then they will prepare the estimation. Once officially awarded, then only they will point out the complete team. Here, system side, folders like a system side, you need the system architect, manager, analyst, and the system RE, requirement engineer as well, system side, and system tester as well. System side only hardware team again. In this role, you have a separate teams. They will sit in a separately. Still, officially confirmed, all the discussions are happened, then your software will come, software teams. Sometimes some organizations, some projects, some organizations I know, cyber security is a completely a different business unit. They will work for ADAS, they will work for braking, they will work for airbags, infotainment, all the BOs. But some organizations, every BU you have a cyber security team. So you need to be flexible, like a common BU. Common BU means here you have the system, software, hardware, security. Then they will serve for complete organization. Complete organization. This is the one model of structure. Cyber security is a one BU, business unit. They will serve for complete organization for irrespective of any product line. But some organizations, product-wise cyber security teams, product-wise CS teams. In the product-wise CS teams, you have two teams mainly, platform team and a project team. Platform team is covered the 60% of all the project work. Commonality. Commonality means what are the commonality in the automotive? UDS 27 and 29 is commonality. Secure JTAG is common. Secure flashing common. Secure boot common. Security common. Ethernet is common. Ethernet security is common. These all are the some of the things. Wherever you have a commonality, right, that is completely controlled by the platform team. Project teams, they will do adaptations. But some people, some organizations, they don't know about platform itself. But such a people, they will work in the only project-wise security. Then, project side, yeah, again, each project you have a manager, you have architect, you have analyst, you have developer, you have tester, you have integrator. Sometimes platform is giving a 90%, then you have only one integrator and one manager. Sometimes only manager and integrator. So that is the reason structure is a very difficult to predictable under, because BU level is there and the project level is there, platform teams are there, project teams are there, but work products remain same. 70 work products you need to be prepared. Your platform is doing or your project team is doing, it is a debatable topic, Prithvi. Prithvi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the reason. So once you will enter into the organization, then only you will get the clarity. Sometimes only order of request only you will do the work. Okay, software only someone will give a statement of work. Okay, based on the SOW, then some guys will start the work and all. But sometimes you will get the complete customer requirements, then your R&D will start. So both the models, so we don't want commonality. Let's say that this is the method we are following. Hmm? So managers, managers roles you already know, right? KMS and all you need to handle. Assessments and all you need to handle. Customer discussions is the right person, and collaboration also. Maybe tomorrow, if first 30 minutes, 40 minutes, I will talk, Rudra. No problem. Anyone? Subham, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So, what is this like? Everyone for that like we have the fuzz and the penetration testing. So,
Yeah.
how it is different from the regular testing?
Okay. Mhm. Oh, fuzzing. Fuzzing is nothing but a stress. Stress test. For example, stress test means I released the one product. I told it can hold only like a 100 kgs, 100 kgs weight. You will test with when I'm releasing the product. If I'm keeping that means what is the plus or minus? You will keep like a 15% is the tolerance zone. 15%. But Yugandhar injected 160 kgs. Yeah, he injected 160 kgs. Then still he is observing completely it is broken or it is stand. Even though when you are giving a communication, you told that I can hold only 100 messages. Someone flooded like 1,000 messages. Still you are holding, I will feel happy. It is not supporting, still I am also happy. Why? I purchased only for 100 messages purpose. Okay. But you transferred only 60 messages. You are not available. Then it is a problem. So inside the fuzzing, all the combinations, I will ask them to test it. Positive scenarios, negative scenarios, overload scenarios, underload scenarios, I will ask, please fuzz it. All the channels. For example, if you have any controller or anything, okay, if any controller is connected with a 5 or 6 CAN channels, okay, this is the one channel, 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 this is the one channel. You need to fuzz all the channels as well. Any channel misbehaving, extreme conditions or not. This concept only we'll call it as a. That is the reason most of the time you will fuzz only communication channels, UDS protocol devices, and port scanning and that is the fuzzing you will do. Apart from that, sometimes you will do the fuzzing for NVM as well. Non-volatile memory also, you need to fuzz it. Any misbehavior is happening or not. That is nothing but a fuzzing. Fuzzing is checking the strength holding. That means, for example, when you are maybe one knows boiling test, okay? How many you are aware about boil point? Okay. What is the max point your product may unshake? For example, you purchased a product like this. Sometimes you will see after using, it will go sinking like this. Then you will feel bad, right? This point, somewhere some point is there, boiling point. Behind level, you given a pressure, then it will burst. Behind level, always I will terminate. I will give, I will try my max. It is didn't work out. I will show different angle, and that guys will escape. That is the my style. That's it. That is a any unique. Every human unique. Before product release itself, I will put terms and conditions like that. In the manufacturing level, also similar. Okay. Now coming back to the pen test. Sorry, your time actually I'm hijacking. Okay. Pen test, you will do white box. You will see sometimes Microsoft people, Google, Qualcomm, Nvidia, AMD, top Apple. These guys will advertise. I'm releasing so and so product. If any bugs found, I will give you the reward. That is nothing but a white box testing. They will give complete interfaces, development credential, everything. Then you need to find out the bug. That is nothing but a white box. Gray box is nothing but a, when you are asking something, I will open up. That is nothing but a gray box. Need basis, they will provide you the information. Black box. I don't give harness also. I will give only ECU. Max, extreme conditions, I will give harness. Apart from these two, I don't download anything to you. You are bombarded that and tell me what are the issues you observed. That is nothing but a black box pen testing is nothing but like a someone recreating your brain. 100 plus years onwards they're trying, not yet created, right? Black box pen testing of human brain is always very, very tough. Toughest job. So these all are the pen test level. Pen test level RAM, what they will do? What they will do means you will see. This is the MCU. Yes, sir. This is the JTAG port. Your port, your hardware, you disabled. You locked with password. It is already locked. Now you need someone's supposed to be do a JTAG pen testing means what you try to bypass the channel. You try to bypass the channel. What are the way you will select? If you connect pins again and try, that is a nonsense. You can break this logic, right? That is the way I expected that fellow. He can break my authentication control at least. Then I have a flaw. Sometimes you will feel like it is a strength in a password. Someone easily they can crack it. That type of testing only will call it as a pen testing. Pen testing also they will target mainly like a how to spoil the inside the content, creating a external conditions, and they will create the external conditions. Okay, how to
Yeah.
enter into inside, that is the main ultimate target. How to
Basically assessing the
manipulate,
assets, attack vectors.
that is the reason. That almost all attack vectors, whatever I told, right? All the attack vectors, they will try to recreate.
Got
That
it.
is nothing but a pen testing.
Yeah.
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 Okay, then. Okay, then tomorrow also, please join and we'll first 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I will teach that roles and responsibilities. Any other points? Anyone?
So
And
developer point of view.
Yeah, sure. Now this is the time, Rudra. Positives I don't want. Negatives you need to talk. What went wrong when you joined after that? What went wrong?
And
Here in
Ram,
our class,
Yeah, yeah. Complete training structure. Ram, this went wrong. That is my expectation. I didn't matter something. And you have any negative points? Please feel free to talk.
currently no, I need some time now. I will check it again. And forcefully, I will think then.
No, because tomorrow is the last class, right?
Yeah, yeah,
At
give
least
some time.
your, because others natives I corrected, I shown you all the tools also, you guys. Because you are the luckiest batch, I will say. Compared to previous batches, you are the luckiest batches. At least you observed almost all the tools as well, including KMS.
Mhm.
Okay. No problem. It is not a force. Ram, extremely, this is the native, then it will helpful for me. Your friends can benefit. Now you will see Ramesh. Previous batch colleagues recommended the Ramesh to me. So Sai is a his friend. Okay. Then now Sai also feel happy. I'm also feeling happy. That is the way. So you if you are seeing Ram too hard, but openly something you can improve, that it will help means I can correct it. Not a problem, right? Maybe then I will ask my Yugandhar only. Yugandhar, what went wrong?
Yes, Ram.
Yeah, anything? Negatives.
See, negatives. Negatives means I think some of the I think in the team members only uh, they want to speak something but they cannot able to approach you.
Okay.
One thing based
Okay.
on any information. Okay, that thing I identified one thing. I don't know how why they are in their mind they are thinking in that way.
Okay.
That we need to check it on that.
Okay.
Other than that, the course wise is very good, but the now the generation also the people who are joining as a they are thinking in a way that the structure should be in a different way.
Uh,
So
okay.
okay, but the way you are teaching is very nice. I have seen in other people also like where in a different modes also where there are trainer sessions. I have seen in most of the other courses, but the course no like this I didn't see it. But it is very useful and it will be they they go through on the daily basis. It will be very easy and they can know everything, the points wherever they get the doubts they can easily catch up and they can question the trainer.
Hmm.
But in current generation that is not there. So for that we need to I think you need to check something on that way.
Hmm.
Okay, so if any new batches it is there you can teach in a different way, you can try it, I think. These are the two things I identified wrong.
Okay, then as a childhood friend, now itself they are not approaching means then my diploma or BTech behavior. What is the your observations?
So the
That
behavior wise means sometimes it will be a rash way the current generation is not taking.
okay,
Okay, that thing you need to change like a cool way. You need to move on.
okay.
That thing
Then how
I am
much?
thinking.
What is the
Okay,
how much percentage I improved? Then you can assume like a
see I
1998 is that right? Oh,
see
no,
that
no.
is
That these all are honestness is required, Gandhar.
yes. Exactly.
1998, we are friends, right?
You changed.
1998,
You changed.
then tell me. Yeah.
You changed a lot. That also I'm saying. See, when we are at 1998 or 2000, so at that point of time, it is you are in a different way, and you are uh, not this much. That means you are more rash or whatever. Your voice taking is more, but you have now it is reduced when I compare with last things. But even though now, due to the generation wise, no, really I'm saying, they are not understanding properly why they are saying these things. They need to understand, and why